Welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. My name is Michael. In today's video, we'll be talking about SMTP servers. I will show you how to create free SMTP server, and also we'll be testing the SMTP so that you will see for yourself that this SMTP deliver mail straight to your inbox. It's 100%. The delivery rate is 100%. Okay. Before we get started, if today is your first time of coming across our videos on YouTube, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, share our video and comment so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to other persons who are searching for similar video like this online. Thank you very much as you do that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we'll be using this email marketing platform Brevo to get the free SMTP I'm talking about. So this is a very awesome platform with a whole lot of other features, so you can check it out for yourself. So all you need to do is to visit their website. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Once you are there, you click on sign up for free. So the sign up process is very easy. Just follow the steps and you will get everything set up within few minutes. Okay, so once you get to the plan, that is the usage plan, so make sure you select the free plan. So once you select the free plan, you'll be directed to this type of dashboard you are seeing right here on my screen, because I've already created this particular account because of time. All right, so once you create the account and you are here, all you need to do is to click on this particular section that says transactional. So this is where we are going to see our SMTP. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is our free SMTP server. We have the SMTP server here, then we have the port, we have the login, and we have the password. So this is our SMTP server. I'm going to show you how to activate it and make use of this SMTP server. Okay, so the next thing we need to do right now is to add a domain name to this particular platform so that we're able to send mail. Right, so without you adding domain name to your account, there's no way you're able to use this SMTP server. So to do that, you have to click this particular section and then come over here and click senders domain and dedicated IP. So I will click here. So once I'm here, I will click here this particular section domain. All right, so as you can see, I've not added any domain name to this particular account. So to add domain, I will click here and click on add a domain. So you can get your domain from any domain name provider. So you can use Namecheap, you can use Hostingjar, you can use GoDaddy. But for the purpose of this video, I use there is Namecheap. So I'm using one of my domain name I have with Namecheap to to do this video for this tutorial. So I will have to copy this domain name right here. I will copy it, then I'll click on okay, so I'll go back, then I paste the domain here, then I'll click on add a domain. So you just have to be patient. It's authenticating the domain. So as you can see here, it says authenticate the domain yourself. Set up your domain record manually in your domain provider account, or said ask someone else to authenticate the domain for you. So I will choose this particular option, this first option. I will authenticate the domain myself. So click on continue. Okay, so that's it. This is the information that I'm going to use to authenticate the domain name. So as you can see here, we have the Brevo code, then we have the DKIM1 record, then we have the DKIM2 record, then we have the Denmark record, and okay, so we have the Denmark record. So the purpose of this authentication is to enable us verify our domain, and those particular verification, that's what we make our email not to appear as spam. All right, so it's going to appear as a legitimate email. So what we need to do right now is to go back to the Namecheap account where I got the domain name from. I was currently using custom DNS on this particular domain before, so but I have to change it to Namecheap basic DNS. So once I select that, I will come here and click. Okay. So the next thing I will do right now is to come over here and click on advanced DNS. So I'll click on advanced DNS, then I will come over here. So we are going to follow the instruction. So let's first of all add the Brevo code. It's a type, so we are going to select TST. Then the name we are going to put is at. Then the value we are going to copy this particular value there. So let's go back to the Namecheap account. So I will click on this add new record. So I want to add a TXT record. So I'll come over here and select TXT record. So over here I'll put at. Then I will come over here again and I will have to copy this Brevo code value. Okay, so the value I will copy it. Then I'll come here and I'll paste. All right, so let's say for this particular session, you can decide to leave it in auto, but I like putting mine in 30 minutes. So I will select 30 minutes and I'll click save changes. All right, so that's for that. So we'll go over to the next one, which is the DKIM1 record. So this particular one, the type, we're going to choose the C name. Then the name, we are going to copy this particular one here. So I will copy this DKIM1 record name. Okay, so I will go back to my Namecheap. Then I will say add new record. What was the record again? C name, right? Okay, so C name. I will come here and select this C name record. Then I will paste here, then go back. I'll go back, then I'll copy this other one here, copy the value, then I'll go back to Namecheap and paste. So I will select 30 minutes. Okay, then save changes. All right, so we'll go over to the next one, which is the DKIM2 record. So we are going to the type is CNAME. Then we'll copy this and the name. Then I'll say copy. Then I'll come over here and select CNAME record. I'll come here and paste. I'll go back and copy this also. Then I'll paste. All right, so save changes. Save changes. Then we'll move over to the next, which is the DMAROC record, the Denmark record. So the type is TST, then the name is Denmark. So let's just copy it. So I will copy this, then I will go back to my Namecheap account. I will add new record, TST record, new TST record. Where is it? Okay, so this is it. Then I'll paste this here. I'll go back and copy this. Then I'll paste. All right. So I will select 30 minutes here. Okay, I didn't select 30 minutes here. Let me just select it again. I'll select, then save changes. I think that's all. Okay, so once you have successfully configured your domain name the way I did mine, so you have to make sure you check to make sure you to confirm that you did everything correctly. Let me check. Okay, so this is it. So I'll go back, then I'll have to click this authenticate this email domain. All right, so I will click it. Okay, you say the complete authentication on your email domain provider site can take up to 48 hours. In the meantime, check if the authentication is complete by refreshing the domain status on the domain page. Check there is no error between the record provided by the Brevo and those entered in your email domain provider account. Okay, so it said it's going to take up to 48 hours, but there's no way it will take that much time. So let's say like within 13 to 1 hour, everything we set up. So I'm going to pause this video, then I will come back once the authentication is complete. So as you can see right now, our domain name authentication is complete. So you are seeing the status is showing authenticated. All right, so under domain name, our domain name is active here right now. So this took around 35 to 40 minutes for the authentication to complete. All right, so we can make use of this particular domain name now. We can use it as our sender mail. So the next thing we need to do right now is to go back to Brevo dashboard. So let's click on transactional. All right, so as I said earlier, this is our SMTP servers information. So I'm going to show you how to configure there's an email sender using this particular SMTP sender information which we have gotten here already. So I will be making use of this particular sender here, this Sky email sender. So I will show you how to configure the SMTP of this particular sender. So first thing is that you need to once you download Sky email sender, so it's a premium. This particular one I'm using is a registered version, so you can download free version and use, or you can decide to pay for it. Okay, this is a very good email sender. So all I need to do right now is to click on SMTP account. So as you can see, I already have other SMTP which I've set up on this particular app before. So I will click on new account. All right, so we just have to give our this SMTP a name. So I will say uh, YouTube tutorial. Okay, so let's say account name YouTube tutorial. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to set our from email. So we are going to make use of this particular email. So this is the domain name we authenticated with our account. So I'm going to do something like this. I'll come here. Let's say the from will be from support at domain name dot com or dot sbs, depending on the domain name you purchase. So this particular extension is a dot sbs, but I highly recommend you use a dot com domain name to send as your to authenticate your Brevo, because .com is kind of it has a higher priority than other domain name extension. So I recommend using .com. So I'm using this particular .sbs because this is just for tutorial purpose. Okay, so then we have the from name. Okay, so this particular name that is like from the sender name. So if you are this place now, you have to put either your company name or your organization or whichever name. So let's say this particular mail I will say from Eazy-Tech. Okay, so I will use this as a from name. So this particular section, you see the SMTP host. So go back to our Brevo account. So go back, then we are going to copy this as our SMTP host. So I'll right click, copy, then go back to the app, then I'll paste. So this SMTP port, so let's check the SMTP port. The SMTP port here is 587. Okay, so I will come here and choose 587. So over here I will select both SSL and TLS. Okay, so the next thing is that I'm going to copy the username, so which is this. So this is the username. I will copy, then come here and paste. Then also the password, I'm going to copy the password and paste. All right, so that's it. That's pretty much everything you need to know. You need to do concerning the SMTP configuration on your email sender. Okay, so I want to explain something concerning this particular from email and then reply to email. So I will suggest that you are going to create this particular mail, so you can get hosting from Namecheap. Then once you get hosting, you're able to create this particular mail. Okay, but if you don't create it, if you leave it like this without creating the email, it will still go. So everything will still go successfully. But the reason why I I'm telling you to create this mail is that in case the email receiver want to reply to this email, so that you'll be able to receive the message. Okay, so if you want to, let's say you want to like create this part, currently this email is not active, but that will not stop the delivery of this particular mail we are sending. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a separate video on that, on how you can create this particular, on how to create a webmail. Okay, it's very easy. All you need to do is to, after you have already purchased the domain name, so you have to pay for hosting. So once you pay for hosting, you're able to have access to create as many webmail as possible. Okay, so you can do that. You can get hosting from Namecheap also. So you can get hosting from Namecheap. Let's say you can go for the shared hosting. Okay, so once you have confirmed everything, all you need to do is to come over here and click OK. So that's it. So as you can see right now, this is the SMTP we just added to the list. So that's all you need to do concerning the um the setting up of SMTP on our email sender. All right, so let's go back to our Brevo account. So I will come here now and click on next. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's showing verification. If you have configured your SMTP correctly and are not sending your emails via Brevo SMTP, you should see some logs. All right, so all we need to do right now is to verify our SMTP. So we need to send a mail using our SMTP to verify if it's working correctly. So to do that, we'll go back to our sender. So I will have to close this particular section here. Then, or before we send a message, before we send a mail, so let's first of all, let's create our email template. So I will come over here and click on email templates, then I will click on new. Okay, so I will click on new. Then I will head over to chat gpt. So that's where I normally create my email template from. So I've already created one, so this is it. Where is it? Okay, so I've already generated an email template. So this is the prompt. I said I want you to generate an HTML init email template to promote my recent YouTube video. The video is about teaching my viewers how to use Brevo SMTP server to send email for free, and the email will deliver straight to the receiver's inbox. Okay, so and this is what I got from ChatGPT. So all I need to do now is to come here and copy and go back to my image sender. So I will come here, I will click HTML. Okay, then I will paste in the code. All right, so then the subject, under the subject, I also asked ChatGPT to generate some image subject for me, some subject. So I'll come over here and copy one of them. So if I stop paying for image sender, Brevo SMTP is the trick. Okay, so I don't like that one. So let me see. Um, okay, so let me just copy something like this. Then I'll come over here now and copy. Then go back to the image sender. Then I will paste in the subject here. So let me view this particular email now. So this is how it looks. So this is how the image template looks. So I'm supposed to replace this particular section with my YouTube video link. So but I will not do that right now, just to save time. So I will click on save. All right, I'll click on save. So this is it right now. Watch this before sending your next email. I will come here and cancel. Then I will come over here and click start. Then select the email which I want to send, which is this. So I will have to change this particular section here to our SMTP which we created, which is this one, YouTube tutorial. So I will select it. I will have to clear those email. So let me clear this. So you can decide to import email list from file, but I want to impute email list directly because I will be only sending like two or one email. All right, so I will come over here. Then let me use this particular email. So let me just open my Gmail. Okay, I will copy this particular email. Then I will come over here and I will paste. Then I will also use this other shorter one. Okay, so let me use this mail also. Okay, so I'll copy this also. I come here and paste. All right, so let me send message to these two Gmail. So once you have selected this particular section and here, and you have already pasted your Gmail or you have your email address or addresses, or you have imported them from your computer. So you can come over here now and select. You can select the priority. So I normally select normal priority. So the thread, I normally leave it at 1, then this particular one 0. All right, so I normally tick this particular remove duplicate image. That's if I'm sending many email messages. So I normally tick this place. Then the next thing I will do is to click on OK. So you can see right now it's sending. Okay, so you can see the results. This particular one I've gone through is showing okay, so it's sending the second one. And over here also you will see showing success one, sent one. So it's currently sending the second email right now. Okay, as you can see, the two mail is showing okay, which means it's successful. So let's go over to the email account and check. So let me refresh. Okay, let's go to promotion. So this is it. As you can see, this is the mail. This is the mail we just sent from our SMTP. So let me click on it. This is one of the mail. Let me click on it. I'm really having a bad network today. My network is really slow. All right, so as you can see, this is the mail we just sent from the email sender. So let me show you something. As you can see from here, you are seeing reply to this is the email address we added. Then you are seeing this particular uh, signed by, which is apex integer union.sbs. So you see the importance of those stuff with that, those settings that we did earlier. So that's it. That's how to send email using Brevo SMTP for free. So let me check this other mail, also this other Gmail we sent to. So okay, so we go to promotion also. So the reason why Gmail is sending this particular message to promotion is that because they notice that this is a promotional email. So if I have sent a message that does not contain promotional write up, so definitely this email will go straight to inbox. All right, so that's just it. Okay, same thing. Let me check the. You see from Eazy-Tech Solutions, which is the name. Then we have the support email, reply to. Okay, so everything is showing over here. So if I had put in my YouTube video link, once I click here, it will redirect to the YouTube video. Okay, but we didn't do that because of time. So that's how easy it is to set up your uh, Brevo email and also get your free SMTP. So another thing is that this particular Brevo, you can only send 300, that's 300 email per day with this particular free SMTP. So if you want to send more than that, that means you have to subscribe to their paid plan. Okay, it's not that expensive. I think it should be, for you to send like that kind 5,000 emails, you have to pay, I think, less than $8. Okay, so you can check out their plan for that. Okay, so let's go back to the Brevo. Okay, so this is one cool thing about Brevo. So if you are sending messages, if you are sending email with Brevo SMTP, you will be able to monitor the messages from here. Okay, so you're able to monitor it when someone opened the message. So you're able to see it here. So as you can see right here, it's showing first opening, first opening. That's because we opened the email that was sent. So that's why it's showing that first opening. That's why the status is showing first opening here. So we have to confirm now that everything is working fine. So I will come here and click it works. All right, so that's it. Say welcome to SMTP. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. That's how easy it is for you to set up your free SMTP from Brevo. So as you can see, it's showing event 2, deliver 2, trackable, opening 2. Okay, that's because we only sent two mail, which is this year. So we only send two mail. That's why you are seeing it showing two over here. So if you send multiple email, let's say you send 1,000 emails, so you're able to track everything from this particular dashboard here. So this is awesome. This is very, very interesting. So if you want to upgrade your plan, so as you can see right now, it said I have 298 email left until 4th of 7 2025. So if you want to upgrade your plan, you can come over here and click on manage your plans. Come over here and click upgrade plan. So as you can see, we are currently on the free version. So you can select the starter version here. Okay, this is $9 per month, so you can upgrade to the starter version, or you can go for the business plan. So with this, you do a whole lot of stuff with Brevo SMTP. Okay, so that's pretty much everything you need to know concerning this particular video on how to create free SMTP using Brevo. So if you have any question, feel free to comment on this video. I will always take my time to reply to all comments. All right, thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, comment, and share our video so that YouTube algorithm will show this video to other people who are searching for stuff like this. Thank you very much as you do that.